Ever wondered if those emails you send from your work laptop or those calls from your company phone are truly private? It is a question many of us ponder, especially with so much of our lives happening digitally, and it is natural to feel a bit uneasy about potential oversight. Yes, in most cases, your boss absolutely can monitor your work phone or computer. This is primarily because these devices are the property of the employer, and they have a legitimate business interest in overseeing their assets and operations to ensure productivity and security. The core reason behind this stems from legal principles establishing that employers generally have the right to monitor equipment they own and provide for work purposes. When you use a company-owned device, you typically have a reduced expectation of privacy, if any, regarding activities performed on it. This expectation is often further diminished if your employer has a clear, written policy in their employee handbook that outlines their monitoring practices. Your consent to these policies is usually implied by your continued use of their equipment, establishing a clear understanding of the terms of your employment and technology usage. Therefore, the best way to approach this is to assume that any activity on a work-issued device can be monitored. Always review your company's official policies regarding electronics, usage, and communication to understand the specific rules that apply to you. It is also a smart practice to keep your personal activities separate by using your own devices for private communications and browsing, reserving company equipment strictly for work-related tasks. Beyond general monitoring, employers might employ specific tools such as data loss prevention software, or DLP, to prevent sensitive company information from leaving their network. They might also track internet browsing, keystrokes, and even screen activity to ensure compliance and productivity. In some cases, for company vehicles, GPS tracking is used. It is important to note that, if you use your personal device for work, often called Bring Your Own Device or BYOD, the lines of privacy can become a bit more complex. But even then, your employer might have policies granting them access to work-related data on your personal device. Ultimately, understanding your employer's rights and responsibilities regarding monitoring their equipment empowers you to make informed decisions about your digital conduct at work. By recognizing that work devices are business tools, you can ensure your professional integrity and maintain appropriate boundaries, contributing to a more secure and productive environment for everyone involved.